Welcome! If you're using Discord on your mobile device and want to know how to disable developer mode, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to turn off developer mode in Discord Mobile. Whether you enabled it by accident or just don't need it anymore, this guide will help you get things back to normal in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Here you'll see an option called Advanced. Tap on Advanced to open up some extra features that are usually meant for developers or people who want to access more technical settings. Inside the Advanced menu, you'll notice a toggle switch labeled Developer Mode. If developer mode is currently enabled, the switch will be turned on, usually highlighted in a different color. To disable developer mode, simply tap the toggle switch. It should turn gray, indicating that developer mode is now off. That's it. You've successfully disabled developer mode on Discord Mobile. With developer mode turned off, you won't see extra options like the ability to copy user or server IDs, which are typically only needed for advanced troubleshooting or bot development. Disabling developer mode is a great way to keep your Discord experience simple and clutter-free, especially if you don't need those extra features. If you ever need to turn it back on, just follow these same steps and flip the switch again. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need more Discord tips. See you in the next video.